we are in Tub Island in Krabi, and just a little advice, come early so you will have the island to yourself even just for 20-30 minutes. We were the first ones here, and now they're all coming.
And there goes my mic getting wet. You can't stage that. Hey, but look how amazing this island is, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the first stop. This is the 5 island tour. I thought it was 4, but it's 5. So we're just gonna show you in videos.
So during low tide, you can actually walk to the neighboring island. But right now, this morning, we got here around 9:30, and the tide is a little high. So. And
it's really just us.
It was us.
The boats are coming. They're coming now, but we got a 30-40 minute head start.
Okay, so what's your impressions of Railay Beach?
Not impressed at all. The water's so dirty. I see like floss, trash, seaweed, all these particles in the water. It's just, I'm not impressed.
So the tour's over?
Here, yes, you can go somewhere else.
Yeah. Well, it definitely looks scenic. So
it's very scenic. I mean, the backdrop, amazing. But
people are living in the water here. Hey, this is a private beach. You can only get here by boat. That's crazy.
See, you couldn't pay me any money to stay there.
Actually, the cave restaurant should be over here too, somewhere. I don't know, but if we were staying here and that was your beach, would you be disappointed?
I mean, I think I'm just disappointed because we were chosen the best looking beaches. Our top 2 beach for the day was beautiful.
Yeah. So now you're spoiled.
If I didn't know any better, then I would just be.
Oh, this is awesome.
I was just settled. But
you do.
The water, you do not want to get in that water. And go see it for yourself. Bring the camera over there and be like, what the hell?
Ever been to Krabi before?
No, first time.
Oh, first time.
Yeah.
Whom are you
Traveling
with?
This lovely lady right over here.
Okay, good.
Okay, so Phuket versus Krabi. Or Krabi.
Krabi. That's tough because both are totally different vibe. Phuket, you see all the vendors and the day beds, and you can easily get service from the beach. You don't even have to go anywhere, but you don't see that in Krabi. But Krabi has the scenic, beautiful surroundings that I don't think Phuket can top. I think Krabi is just so beautiful in itself. Like, they don't have to do all that extra curricular activities because it's just so beautiful by itself.
Your answer is correct.
I would say Krabi.
So anyway, I'm gonna make this really simple. It is really easy. It is a different experience. It's more like you definitely are more, I feel more immersed in the mountain scene or
The backdrop
the
is
backdrop.
just beautiful.
Is definitely here. But I think the beaches are still better in Phuket, particularly Kata. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up here. And I feel like I have a full option list. Like if I want to go to the party scene, there is one here, but it's meh. And but if I want to go to one there, I can. If I want to just chill on the beach, like I want to retire out in beautiful water, I can. If I want to go to, the northern part, there's just a lot of I can't. To me, I think technically it's not really an island because it's still connected. But I'm going Phuket.
I must say, Krabi is
Strong.
on the higher end. It's expensive out here.
Especially this restaurant we're at right now. So, but yeah. Okay, cool. Well, cheers to that.
Cheers.
Hey, and if you haven't subscribed, take this opportunity to subscribe if you like the video. It helps. Like it. So until next time, these are Black Adventures. Trying to drink your drink, and she just don't know. She better go get her own.